Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking level, setting the parking brake, and shifting to P so nothing can move. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection because battery acid and clamps can be hazardous. Have a 10mm and 13mm wrench ready plus the replacement battery. Make sure you turn the ignition off and remove the key. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the car's computers to go to sleep so you avoid voltage spikes when disconnecting the battery. You always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent a short, then the positive. This order protects the car's electronics. Next, unbolt the hold-down bracket. Batteries are heavy, typically 15 to 25 kilograms, so lift straight up with knees bent to avoid strain. While the battery is out, inspect the tray and cables. If you see corrosion, clean it with a baking soda and water paste and a wire brush. Then dry everything thoroughly, so the new battery has a clean, stable connection. You position the new battery in the tray so the terminals match the old orientation. Once seated, tighten the hold down enough to prevent movement but not over torque. Then connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative. This order avoids accidental shorts. After connections, start the engine and verify lights, horn, and infotainment. Make sure to reset clocks and seat or radio memory if they lost settings. If you can't
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.